Welcome back to my channel, babes. Summer is almost here and I couldn't be any more excited, and I'm super excited for this video because I'm sharing with you guys some of my favorite drugstore products. These are summer essentials. One of my favorite things to do is to run to the drugstore and pick up a bunch of little goodies because they're just fun and they're affordable and they just make you feel good. All of these products are products you guys are gonna love, so get ready to write these all down because you guys are gonna want to run to the drugstore and grab all of them. First up is the butter collection from Physicians Formula, starting with the butter bronzer. This collection is so cute. I absolutely love the packaging. It's perfect for summer. There's the bronzer plus the butter blush. The formulas are so creamy and buttery. They look beautiful on the skin. The butter highlighter is absolutely gorgeous and will give you that perfect glow for summer. Next is the Wet n Wild lip scrub. I love this lip scrub. It's super cute in the watermelon flavor. It has that sugar texture, so exfoliates and scrubs your lips, so leaves your skin feeling super smooth. Plus, it tastes delicious. Not that you should eat it, but it's a perfect lip scrub for summer. Next up is a product that I'm so obsessed with. It is the Garnier Olia 3.6 Darkest Red Rose hair color. This is the hair color that I used recently on my hair. I am so in love with this color. It is the perfect color for summer, and I am obsessed with the Olia color, especially the way it makes your hair feel is so incredible. It's made of 60% oils and no ammonia, so it leaves you feeling so silky, so hydrated, and so shiny. My hair looks more incredible after I colored it than before. This color is just so beautiful and vibrant, and especially in the sun, looks so gorgeous. I did a full video on how I colored my hair using the Garnier Olia. If you guys want to check it out, I'm gonna link it for you right here. Next is another favorite. It's the Jergens Wet Skin Moisturizer. You guys have seen me talk about this before. I love this moisturizer because it just works so different than other moisturizers. So you want to use it right out of the shower while your skin is still wet. It just sinks into your skin and leaves your skin feeling so hydrated. It's so quick and easy to use. This is my go-to, especially in the summer, so you can have beautiful soft skin for all those summer dresses, those shorts, and you never have to worry about your skin looking dry. Of course, for summer, you need a good sunscreen. The Neutrogena Hydra Boost Water Gel Lotion is one of my favorites. I use the SPF 50. I love that it's a really light texture. It doesn't leave that ugly white film all over your skin, and it just feels really nice on. Another hair favorite is the Garnier Fructis Pure Clean Air Detangler. This is a detangling spray for your hair, and I love it because sometimes in the summer you don't want to sit there and blow dry your hair. So I like to just spray this in my wet hair and let it air dry, and it gives my hair this really nice natural wavy texture without me having to do any work or using any heat. So it's perfect for summer. The Maybelline Electric Shine lip gloss is another summer favorite. I love using this gloss over any lipstick because it has the most gorgeous shine to it. It picks up the light in the sun and it reflects, and it just looks so beautiful and pretty, and it has this really iridescent vibe to it for that little something extra, especially for summer. The L'Oreal Luminous Serum Tint is going to be your new go-to product for summer. This tint is so gorgeous. It has the most beautiful glow to it. I love applying this on my shoulders and on my collarbone, especially when you're wearing tank tops. It gives your skin the most beautiful glow, and it looks absolutely gorgeous in the sun. The Burt's Bees BB cream is an essential for me because in the summertime I don't always love wearing a ton of foundation, so a BB cream comes so handy. This one also has SPF 15. I love the texture. It's really nice and light but gives a little bit of coverage and smooths out the skin, so this is an absolute summer must-have. And my last summer essential is the Garnier Skin Active Soothing Facial Mist. I love this mist. I carry it around with me everywhere. It has the most gorgeous rose scent to it. It feels so refreshing, and it just instantly revives your skin. It refreshes your makeup. So this is an absolute summer must-have. Be sure to check out all the products that I mentioned today in the description box below. And as a little special something for you guys, I'm going to be doing a giveaway with some of these products that I mentioned today. I'm going to be giving away some of my favorite summer essentials to a couple lucky winners. All you need to do is leave me a comment in the description box below letting me know just anything. What do you guys think of this video? What are you most excited about for summer? Any comments at all, and I will announce a couple of winners in my next video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new, and don't forget to add me on Instagram at Eman. I hope you guys love this video, and I will see you in my next video very soon.